So today we are off to Derby to install a computerised 6CCD wheel alignment machine at a main dealer. So it'll be a good day. Being out and about different places every day. I can be in the top of Scotland, I can be in South Wales, here, there and everywhere. Yeah, meeting different people. On the front you'll see 3 rows of numbers, hence 3 rows where the rim paints can go. The more you do it, the easier it gets. It's like anything. So at this point, you clamp the steering wheel off. If you go below, you're still going to hit it. I'll go above, that's going to miss.